Hey guys, this is Shardul Joshi, aka Artistically Artistic. Another quick choreography challenge video for all of you. Learn it, shoot it, and post it. Let's directly jump on to the choreography. The song name is To Meri from Bam Bang. And I start the song with facing my back to the audience. This way. In first position, this is my right, this is my left. With legs, I go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? With hands, I go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Combining both together, I go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then I take my right leg to the side and I wave on left side first. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. After that, I do a ball change, left leg and right leg. My hand goes up, left hand up, right hand down. Right hand goes round, round, round. So I turn round, 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 round. Cool. With hands, I go right and left, pointing ahead, right and left. With legs, I have just turned this way, so I'm like this. In second position, I go left and right. Simple lunge. Putting both together, right and left. With the hand. After that, I go jump, jump, step. So it's jump, jump, step. But when you step, you point ahead and you turn while you jump. So it's jump, jump, step, jump, jump, step. See my hands? They're happening to be like this. So jump, jump, step, jump, jump, step. Okay? After that, it's a freak out. Ehsas. It's just a freak out, so you can do anything. Anything. The main signature step of To Meri song starts where we go this way. Right, left foot tapping 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my hand, right hand goes hammer, 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 hammer. Okay. After that, what we enter is the main signature step of To Meri song, where we go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. My left leg tapping 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my right hand doing hammer, 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 hammer. Okay, let's do it. Put it together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. So on and, I shift to right diagonal. This is my right, this is my left. I shift to right diagonal. My legs are like this in second position. First of all, I'm on toes. Now I go twist, 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 twist. Cool? While this, your hand stays up. Take care that you are not covering your face with your hand. So keep it away. Yeah? And go twist, 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 twist. Cool? After that, your legs go left, right, left and left. Your hand goes right, pull, left, pull, right, pull, right, pull. Putting this together, you go 1, 2, 3 and 4. After this, after 4, I do something with my leg, right leg. So out, in, out, out, in, out. So let's say 1 and 2, 3 and 4. On every one, I jump. So after this, I go jump in, out, jump in, out. It's 2 times. After this, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You have chest. You are going to go down, right, left, right, turn to the left side. Now, thighs, cross, shoulders, down. Again, thighs, cross, shoulders, down. While doing this, while going there, putting this together, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, turn. When you are turned over here, you are going to go tap and tap, tap and tap with legs. With hands, it's going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. After this, I tap my left leg twice. 1, 2. Again a ball change. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and again 1. So while doing tap tap, your hand goes right, left. This is my right hand, this is my left hand up, right hand down. Pa and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay guys, so we are to the end of the video. You're going to see the whole choreography on music. 6, 7, go. Learn it, shoot it, post it on all your social medias, and don't forget to tag me. That is Shardul Joshi, aka Artistically Artistic. If you want to learn more styles like Bollywood, contemporary, hip hop, you can contact me. All my contact details are down there in description. So enjoy, have fun, keep dancing, stay positive.